Hello.
안녕하세요.
My name is Pamchi. Why I'm putting my hand like this? My name is Pamchi and then I'm from India.
No, you're from Korea.
I love Korea so much. I'm from India. And then the background, the one who's taking a video, she's from Indonesia. Her name is Ulfa. And today we're planning to cook
Tteokbokki.
Korean style.
But this is our...
It's our version.
Yeah.
Actually, start.
So what you prepare first?
So I have got all the vegetables. What we're gonna put it. We made our vegetable stock at home.
Okay.
And the thing is that ours is in red pinkish color.
What? Because of what?
It's because
Of
we
red
put
onion.
red onion. And I don't know what those vegetables we put and boil it up, but it just turned out like this. So it's okay, whatever. It tastes good. Don't go for the looks. And then we're gonna put a cabbage, a Chinese cabbage, a carrot, a spring onion. And then here, this is for the sauce. I don't know why it's thick.
It's like a paste, right?
It's Korean chili paste.
So you
So
can you show the...
Please don't take a video for our fridge.
It's funny vlog actually. Okay, this is the one
So
brand.
this is the brand which we bought it. This is the brand.
So people knows, no?
Yeah. So we're using this. So I took a spoonful of this 1.5.
One and
And
a
then
half
And then we are using a chili flex. This brand. We just bought it yesterday.
No shame.
So today we're planning to make a kimchi as well.
Oh, okay.
So we bought this one. They're good. Actually, it's good. They're like bright in color. Just check.
But it's
Can
not
you
much
see?
spicy, no?
Yeah, it's
like
not like it's a medium spice.
only red color.
Yeah, but it's better. So I add the spoon, 2 spoons, and I add some sesame oil and soy sauce and a little bit of sugar. We basically doesn't like too sweet in the food, so we put only little, but we want to taste little sweet.
Okay.
And then here I chop up some onion. Actually, we use for the stock, and then it was leftover, so I just put it. And we are gonna add garlic. I don't know how. We'll think about it, and then we'll make it. And this is for the garnish. And the special part is this. What is this?
Tteokbokki
What is this? It's a
brand?
rice
cake.
cake. Last time I tried to make it with the fresh one, but it was like, I don't know how to make it. It wasn't as good, but it was okay. So today I thought I'll buy it. So I bought this. I don't know which brand is this. The rice cake tteokbokki.
Boom.
Okay. So let's start. Turn it on. We add up some
Vegetable oil.
vegetable oil. Not much.
Yeah, because
We
it
don't want to
doesn't
eat too much
a
oil.
lot of oil.
I don't like oil. I'm gonna add our onion. Garlic. Not adding all the garlic. Fine to be leftover. Let's add a little bit of salt. We're gonna add the salt. Our onion is, let's say, golden brown. Okay. Then let's add our vegetable mixture. I don't know how they pronounce it, but I don't pronounce it correctly. We want the color as well, so we'll add it a lot. everything. What do you say?
Yes, of course.
Because it's not that spicy as well. We want to add the fish cake, but we don't have. Next time. Next time. Okay, scrap it, scrap it. Or I think we should add the rice cake first. Zang zang! Can we finish all? I don't think.
Yeah.
We can finish all? Huh? First, next someone. Okay?
Okay.
So we add this. Zang zang! See the color. Oops. Looks good. Ah, I want to add ramen also. But we don't have. So
Yeah.
add.
Wait till little bit tender.
Okay. Add. Something.
Yeah, some young use.
For sponsoring us your samyang. Okay? Thank you so much, baby. We love you so much. We really love you. Okay, by the way, she's our roomie. Very good. I'll buy it for her. No, I'll keep this one for her.
Yeah, we have to keep.
We used to keep food for every one of us. Like, we cook and then we keep for them. They keep for us. Now we can add our this. It's good, it's good. Cook. Okay. Now, let's do like this. Then, add our. Wow. It's good.
Put the one also. It's vegetable mix.
Veggies.
The liquid is less, so we're gonna pour some water.
I think I put too much water in it when I'm making the rice. Not much.
This is our lunch, right?
It's our lunch. So, our noodle is done. Take it out. We don't want to overcook it.
Wait.
So, we're gonna add our eggs. Look good. It looks good. See. Done. Let's turn it off. And serve.
With noodles also. Ta-da!
So, let's serve.
Oh.
Looks like, huh?
Little bit. Because we are not Korean, so
So,
it's not look.
us.
Yeah, it's not look like Korean.
It looks like tteokbokki. Just see your noodles. Okay. Let's go there. Okay. Going to garnish it. Wrap it up. Spring onion again. Like that.
Oh,
Oh.
so delicious.
Looks very delicious.
Tteokbokki is the. That's it. Wow. Tteokbokki.